man tub. Right?
Yeah. That makes sense.
Like that way, right? So that it's like.
Yeah, let me just.
Are you getting fancy with the zoom?
Let me just zoom in on it Okay. Got it. You'll be able to fit it in there. I believe in you. Maybe you have to do it against the wall.
No.
I think the command strips would stick better.
Documenting the first time me and the girl are running errands by ourselves. I've taken her in the car by myself, which if you're a first-time mom, you know is like a big deal. It was scary, but I've never just like gone off to like go run errands with her. It's mostly been just like, I don't know, to go to someone's house, I think. I don't even remember. My brain is mush. But let's see how much we can get done. We're really busy, so I'm not gonna like make you listen to that. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
1. More baby bottles.
Oh, nice.
Approved.
They had that in Crate and Barrel?
No, Target. I got 4 of each. Small plates. Wow.
Wow.
Big plates. Wow. 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 Love that. How cute does that look?
So cute.
Wait till you see this. Look how cute this is.
Wow.
Wow. But like, do you like see how cute it is? It's like a shallow. I feel like you could put like oatmeal in like a little salad.
Sure.
Sure. Then check this out for the season.
Wow.
Wow. Is that not so cute? Like a little chili bowl, right?
A little like French onion.
And there's 4 of everything.
Wow.
Uh-huh. Oh my God, it looks so good. Now we have all different sizes and stuff.
I like it.
We've been needing this. I finally did it.
I like it.
Technically, like I did like a really good thing for our family. I'm not used to seeing myself on like such a high definition camera. The house is a little bit of a mess. It usually is in the mornings because Matt wakes up and cleans in the mornings and he hasn't done that yet. I keep her in the stroller as long as I can after we get home from running errands or like a walk or something, because she actually sleeps really well in it, and then I just kind of like rock it a little bit more. So luckily she's like a really good car and stroller girly. Obviously you saw I went shopping. I went to Crate and Barrel. We've been needing new plates because when I moved to Chicago, all I got was 4 plates and 4 bowls from West Elm because I didn't know how long I was staying here. And then I just ended up like never getting more once I decided to stay here permanently. So once we moved in here, we knew we needed more dishes. We got said dishes. Then I didn't really get anything else exciting, but I'm still gonna work on the Christmas tree today, and then I have like 2 TikToks to film. So it's always really confusing when I try to like vlog and then like TikTok, Instagram at the same time, because it's like, how am I filming different parts of my day on the same day? But we figured out. I have to go back to the Apple store because my computer's not working, and I need my computer really bad because I'm trying to figure out the Shopify end of my home decor that's launching. I'm so excited about it. I've been working on this for at least a year. I think it's just taken longer because obviously I was pregnant, and then I kind of like slowed it down. I didn't want to rush it because at first we were gonna launch in September, and then I was like, I'm launching a baby in September, so let's like push it. Then it could have been ready a little bit earlier, but the way, I'll show you the samples, like the way the first one came was the exact style I wanted, but then I wanted it a different marble. So then when they sent me the correct marble, they didn't send it in the style of tray, And I was like, no, it needs to be like this. It needs to be thick because like it doesn't exist anywhere else. And it's like so much more chic. And so we had to like reproduce it, even though it's just a sample. But the candle I made like forever ago. I did the scent like a year and a half ago at least. And it is amazing. It literally it lights up your whole room, but what's the scent version? It makes your whole room smell amazing. Like it gets like really, really far. And even honestly, just like having it out and not lit, it's still, you can still smell it. Like not like a crazy, like overwhelming amount, but like a nice little amount. Because when I was doing the samples in my office, I think I showed you guys in a vlog like forever ago, I was like, oh my God, the office smells so good because I have the samples of the candle. So you guys are really, really, really gonna love this. At this point, I'm computerless, I'm pushing a stroller, and I have no idea what's going on. This is what a morning will look like. Ready? Shabuya, shabuya, roll call. My name is Mommy. I am your mommy. Yeah. Unreal. I don't know what it is, but like, I think I need to like self-tanner. There's a lot. She is not letting me put her down this morning. I've been emailing on my phone and scrolling TikTok. And I was like, okay, it's been like too long. We like need to do things. We have a doctor's appointment for her in an hour. It's her 2-month appointment. Oh my God, I just remembered, so she's getting shots today. This is gonna be a miserable afternoon. Well, maybe not, it could go well, but I heard the 2-month shots like are a little risky. So I was craving my oatmeal, and basically when I was postpartum, my mom would come over every morning, make me a big bowl of warm oatmeal on the stove, and like take the baby from me, and Matt would go to the gym. And that was like our like every single day morning routine. And so it's made me like absolutely love oatmeal. This oatmeal is gonna look so good in our new bowls. Did Matt put them away? Where did he put them? Aha. Oh, how cute is that gonna look? Voila. I'm gonna mash the banana into the oatmeal. That's the trick. And then honey, flaxseed, chia seed. My mom used to do this one for me where she would do peanut butter and jelly. It was so good. But she always mashed the banana in, and it's like a total game changer. So you just like fully mix it like that. It's so much better. I'm trying to take product shots in this little like really actually cool contraption that you can like take overhead shots with like any color background. Since my product is like shiny marble, the ring light is reflecting, and so I'm trying to do it the right way myself, and it's not working. I was just talking to no one because I wasn't recording. I just put a bunch of Way leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I feel good about this hair day today. I do. I feel good about it. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here for this week and obviously just start up the next one. I know I've said this a couple times, but I truly am trying to figure out like what working from home and being a stay-at-home mom means to me. I just like right now, for instance, like Matt's taking Olive on a walk, and they've been going on really long walks to like give me time to be able to like work and shower and like do all this stuff. And even last night I was thinking like, when am I gonna be able to work out? And I feel like once you're done with the newborn stage and it's almost like your maternity leave is over, there's this window where your baby like doesn't play independently and like kind of like hang out independently. They still want to be like held all the time, but they're like turning into a real human, so they're not like sleeping all the time. So it's like this weird kind of in between right now where she's very attached to me, and so I can only really do what I can do with the carrier or one hand. So like that doesn't really leave room for like working out, but like I can go on walks. I know that it's gonna get better, that she's gonna be able to play more independently, but you know, before I would like wake up, have a ton of caffeine and just like sit on the computer and just like crank everything out because like that's what works for my ADD. And now having to go back and forth between like work and her, it's so like overwhelming for me because I just want to focus on like one thing at a time. So I'm just figuring it out. And it's so funny because it's like when they go on a walk, I'm like, okay, work. And like the moment she gets home, I'm like, I have to go to her. It's weird. Like I don't worry about her as much when she's not in the same space as me because like obviously she's always with someone I trust. But when she's home and I'm home and like if she's upstairs with Matt and I'm downstairs, I'm like way more like, what are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? So it's definitely an adjustment. I think any version of motherhood is just so admirable, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you're a working mom, part-time, full-time, like whatever version you're doing, it's like admirable and it's tough either way, but like not tough in like this is so tough way. Tough in just like a new learning experience. Like you have to just like figure out this whole new thing that you've never done before, which is literally also what I'm doing with my home decor. I just got off like this huge call yesterday and I'm someone that doesn't have a lot of patience in the business department. So maybe my patience that I've learned in motherhood will transfer over into work. And my mom gets here tomorrow. I'm so excited. So next week's vlog is gonna be great because we're gonna finish Christmas decorating. My mom will be here and we're gonna cook for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna go work before they get back and I get distracted. I love you guys so much. Make sure to follow me on everything else for updates and like decor, like just like more content because we're always churning it out. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.